Morning, so we're back at the boat. Big thanks to Stuart for yesterday. Unfortunately, I've now got Wayne's cold, so I'm full of cold. Saoirse's here with us because all the big cutting of the boards is done. Boards are all there, ready to go in. And I think that's what we're doing today, isn't it? Sorry, I took your head off.
Hello.
That's what we're doing today.
Yes, that's today's plan, is to get at least this wall and the 2 panels on this wall done, and then start work on the other one. This one's going to be slightly more tricky because the radiator... Sorry, hello.
Hang on, turn around, you can point to the wall and I can get your head in at the same time. Hello.
Pointy finger.
Pointy finger.
Yes, so this one's going to be a little more tricky because the mounts for the radiator and the pipework and various little bits and pieces. So I'm going to get these 3 boards in first, and then we'll work on this one separately afterwards.
Right, okay, we'll film what we can. See you later.
Bye.
Hello, so we're just about to, sorry I'm so full of cold, glue on the board at the back to help stiffen it that you made yesterday. Sorry, there's not a lot of room in our bathroom to film.
Okie dokie. Yeah, so where the...
Oh, took your head off.
Hello. Where the shower valve bolts onto, we need that area to be quite stiff, because you don't want your shower valve to be kind of flopping around on the board. So I made this stiffer piece here. That all got varnished yesterday. I'm just using this as a guide to line it all up. So...
Oh, so those pipes won't stay in there?
No, okay. No, they'll come out.
Okay.
So, right.
And what's this adhesive you're using?
So this is just a solvent-free, like a builder's adhesive.
Oh yeah, it came with the panels, didn't it?
Well, we bought it for panels.
Yeah. How long will it take to go off?
This should grab in probably about half an hour or so.
Okay.
But what I'm going to do is... let's just take this out of it. What I'm going to do is, once this is stuck in place, I'm going to run some hot melt glue through.
Yeah.
Run some hot melt glue around the outside, and that will just hold it whilst this adhesive goes off.
Right, okay.
So what I need to do now is just give that
Oh gosh.
bit of a jiggle around, get the adhesive spread.
Sorry, there's just never enough hands on a boat. Never enough room and never enough hands.
That's all good. So now just to lock that in place, because this at the moment can still slide around on the panel, and obviously once we put it up on the wall we don't want that to move.
No.
So
Do you want me to move the panel to you?
no, that's fine. Hot glue over here. So what we do is a bead of hot melt glue in there.
It won't melt the panel, will it?
No. No. Up we're out.
I have to say, the panels, well, were fairly straightforward to cut, weren't they?
Yes.
Just a lot of measurements.
Yeah, a lot of
and
measurements.
angles.
What we found actually best in the end was just a circular saw.
Yeah.
What
did you cut these with? The jigsaw?
A jigsaw, but with a metal tooth, a very fine tooth bladed.
Okay.
So, right, that's done.
Sorry, I wasn't here yesterday. I was nursing my cold and looking after Serge, because we didn't think we could bring Serge to the boat yesterday with all the big boards and chopping and moving them around and stuff. So sorry.
She seems quite happy today. She's got the heater.
And her little snuggle area.
Let that just dry up. It's still movable at the minute. Just give it a second or two.
Okay. So what's the first panel we're putting up?
Actually, the first panel is the one into this corner.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I took your head off.
Just the way the tongue and groove works on these panels. That one needs to go in first, and then the big one goes in.
Okay.
second.
So while this is going off.
Yes.
Oh, please. Can we put the other panel in? Oh.
Possibly.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Chop, chop. Oh no. Oh. Oh dear. I'll have to put the camera down. I'm allergic to it. See you in a minute.
Okay, right, so I've just got some standard silicone. It's just a white silicone. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to run a bead in this corner here, all the way around the shower tray, and across the bottom of the floor there.
Okay.
What that's going to do is just provide like a, if you like, a backup seal behind the board.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
So, yeah, so that's what I'll do. I'll come back to that one.
So it's just extra protection, no gaps.
Yeah.
And then will you have to put the same stuff on again on the outside of the panel?
Yes.
Right, okay.
Not this same silicone. There's a slightly better one than this.
Okay.
But yeah, there will be another silicone. Just put that. Again, just seal it to the board. There is actually already silicone there. Use a pointy finger. And there we go. I'll just do the same against the bottom of the floor here.
Okay.
And again, this is just like a belt and braces. If any water gets on the floor,
It won't go in.
Track down. It will hopefully stay on the floor. There we go. Go on a little bit.
That's all just added protection, isn't it?
Yeah. And do any harm. It's easy to do now. Next to impossible to do later. It just gives you a little bit more time. If you do develop a leak, or if you drop some water on the floor, and it happens to pool in that corner,
Yeah, it's not going to run underneath.
it just gives you a little bit longer before, so you can mop it up before it actually starts to dissipate into the rest of the boat.
Okay.
All good?
Yeah.
That's all sealed up. Right, okay. So the first thing to do is just get this corner trim just stuck into position. Doesn't need a huge amount of adhesive, it's just literally to hold it so it doesn't move around really. So I'll just bring that down. Oh, what am I doing? Missed it.
Oh, sorry. Just give it a wipe. Thank you. Get some white.
Right. So these are the trims. They just sit right into the corner there. And they just sit like that.
Excellent.
And that's that. So the first board now will sit into there,
Yeah.
and basically then the adhesive will stick it to there. So first thing to need to do is to put some sealant down that edge there.
Sealant or?
No, sealant.
Okay, well, I'll
So
find some sealant then.
That one.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
You need to get a nozzle, wipe it off. Do your swap?
Yep. Just put that one down there.
Give us cloth. I'll hold that for this one.
A few matte left in this one. Okay. So what you need to do is a bead of silicone all the way down.
Does the other one not need to go off first?
Which other one?
The glue?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
We want it all to be able to move a little bit just now,
Oh, okay.
just in case we need to move anything around. What am I doing? Adhesive.
Oh, because so silicone and then adhesive.
Yeah, silicone is for the seal, the
Oh,
corner,
okay.
and then the adhesive is to stick the
Oh,
part
for the wall.
in place. So.
We gave it a wipe down and clean, didn't we? Watch the lights.
Yep, give it a wipe down. It's really plastic, it tends to be very staticky, so it picks up lots of dust, and obviously if you stick dust onto the adhesive it's not really going to do a lot. So
Oh, hi Saoirse, you can see us. Be careful, you might get stuck to something, Saoirse. You alright?
yeah, it's just it's really
Oh, you've got to get it in the groove at the
to
bottom.
get it into the groove and
Hi Saoirse.
all in the right hole.
She's a good girl. Watch your cable ties.
Slip that in. Oh. Just go in. Gotta go. Oh, come on. It's not going in. Come out of there. Oh. This is the most awkward piece, but it's the smallest bit. It's also the most awkward one.
Something clicked in then. Does it push right in at the top?
Yeah.
I don't have any cloth.
That's it, that's done. Cables there for the gulper pump switch.
Excellent.
Right, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Phew.
Right, okay. Let me get set up for this big board now.
Right. Okay.
Hello, right, okay. Time to fit the shower valve. The audio wasn't very good on this, so we'll do a voiceover as well. Right, so first of all, chop the pipes off to the right length and fit the pipe inserts as is usual. They're quite tight. Give them a bit of a bash. There we go. So on this shower, the hot is on the left and the cold is on the right. That's just how the pipe work's laid out for this one. So what there is a back plate which screws to the wall, and then that has an olive and a front piece that screws on which attaches to the shower valve, which is a chrome bit, which you'll see in a bit. So what I'm doing now is just fitting the olive, put some PTFE tape around the olive, just like so. And then the chrome bit just screws onto there. I'm only doing this hand tight for now. You'll see why in a little bit. But yeah, just hand tight. And rinse and repeat for the other one. So here we go. Don't know what I was explaining there. But yeah, same thing. Brass collar on that screws to the wall. And seems like I've lost something. Hang on. There we go.
Right, so pop the olive on. There we go. And that's the olive. I'm just using the chrome bit now just to space the olive back from the end of the pipe. Make sure that's right. Stick the old PTFE tape on. Just like that. And again, just fit this on just hand tight for now, just enough to hold the two bits together. So what we need to do now is to fasten this to the wall. Before we do that, we just put some sealant round the hole for the pipe, and this goes behind that fitting. So when that squishes in, it will seal up nice and tight. You won't get any leaks behind that. There we go. So what I'm going to do is screw this left-hand one on first. Now, to make sure we don't get any misalignment of the pipes, next thing I need to do is just grab the shower valve and screw the shower valve onto the two pipes. And what that'll do is it'll automatically give me the correct spacing for those two. Just in case you screw the other one in just slightly short, you'll really struggle to get the shower valve on this one. So now that's in, pop the screws in. There we go. And then just take the shower valve back off again. That means that now that's perfectly aligned, so when you need to put the shower valve back on, it just goes straight back in. So what we need to do now, just tighten up those olives. Nice and easy now because these are screwed to the wall, so they're not going to go anywhere. And that's it. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.